What's the meaning of aeronaut? Aeronaut. 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 An aeronaut is someone who operates or navigates an aircraft. This term usually refers to an individual who is trained to operate a lighter-than aircraft, such as a balloon or blimp. Aeronauts are responsible for ensuring the safe operation of the aircraft, and they must be knowledgeable about weather patterns, air currents, and other factors that can affect flight. They also must be skilled at navigating the craft and making adjustments to maintain stability. Aeronauts play an important role in aviation history and continue to contribute to new developments in air travel today.